In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Courtyard. Courtyard is a platform where you can open digital packs and pull collectibles. You can keep your collection in your digital wallet, or you can choose to redeem it and send it to yourself. They also have a marketplace where you can list your collectibles for sale or buy other people's collectibles. The focus of this platform currently is graded collectibles like cards and comics that you see here. This home screen here is pretty much just an explore page. On the tab next to that on the bottom, we have the marketplace. So this is kind of where you can look for cards for sale, and you can even list your own cards and items on this marketplace for other people to buy. We have the packs tab where I'm gonna show a demo in a second here. Then we just have your collection on the bottom right. I have nothing in my collection yet. It'll show like your offers made and received and stuff like that as well. In the top right corner is a little icon that you can tap. This will show your info in your wallet. You can see I have $1,000 in my wallet right now. You don't need to understand this at all, but if you're curious, this uses USDC on the Polygon network. So if you want to send your crypto or your items somewhere else, you're free to do all of that. You can also just add money with a credit card. You can transfer your collectibles to a different user with their username. The mobile app is brand new, so some of this stuff just requires you to use the desktop app. As you can see right here on the desktop app, there are a little bit more options and functionality. Like I can just click right here and add funds with a credit card if I want. So when we get into the collectibles here, you can do baseball cards, basketball cards, football cards, Pokemon cards, sports cards in general, or comics. I personally like Pokemon, so I'm gonna tap on the Pokemon section. So basically, you're going to purchase a pack out of one of these vending machines and you're going to open it up and see what you get. So we have a starter pack 25, pro pack, and it goes all the way up to $2,500 now. And then each pack will have like these expected odds below. So you can see the exact odds of what you're going to pull here. You can see what people have just pulled from this $25 pack. You can also see the heavy hitters that they have here. I'm going to tap on see more. So we're gonna try one of these $25 packs. So I'm gonna look and see like what the best ones are. This Shining Tyranitar would be really cool. The Blastoise would be nice. Shining Magikarp is nice. Expedition Charizard, nice. Giratina, so they have a lot of good stuff in here. A lot of pretty big cards, but I would be going for one of those Shinings. You can use a promo code as well. So my code is gonna be ZARDS10. You can put that in. It's going to give you a discount when you buy your pack. I'm going to tap apply. ZARDS10 successfully applied. You can see it went from $25 to $22.50. Another huge thing that I haven't mentioned yet, when you pull something, whatever card you get, they're going to give you an instant buyback offer. And that buyback offer is at 90% of the market value of the card. So we'll look at that as well. But I have my code applied. I'm going to go ahead and buy this starter pack. Before I check out, it's going to give me all of my order details. On the mobile app, it looks like you can also just use your credit card right here, rather than funding your wallet and doing it that way. Tap buy now, $22.50. Congratulations, here is my pack. So I'm going to go ahead and tap open on the bottom of the screen. And this is going to open it up for me and show me what I get. So I got a Reverse Holo Evolutions Magmar Mint 9. We can view the details here. It's gonna show me everything about this card. Give me some high quality photos. And you can see I can do the instant buyback on this for $10.80. So this card's worth probably like $12, something like that, $13. I'm gonna go ahead and open up another pack here. We'll do the starter pack again. Tap buy now. Again, using the funds from my wallet. Purchased another pack, tap open at the bottom. And this time I've gotten a Reverse Holo Master Ball Erica's Invitation, Mint 9. You can see the buyback price is $12.60, so this is probably like a $15 card. Buy now, tap open. And I've got a first edition Jungle Jigglypuff in a Mint 9. So this one, the buyback is actually worth a little bit more. We'll get another one. Tap open. A Flutter Mane promo, Mint 9. And the buyback for this one, $12.60, so probably about a $15 card. Let's check out what's in these pro packs. The heavy hitters. So we've got some really solid stuff in here. Let's try a pro pack. Tap open. I got a first edition Rocket Dark Dugtrio Hollow in a PSA 8. This one, the buyback offer is $68.38. So probably about a $75 card there. Pretty solid pull. Let's go back here and we'll take a look at my collection, see everything that I've pulled so far. So these are the 5 packs that I opened. Again, I could tap on any of these. I can still accept the buyback offers on them. Now, if I were to accept this buyback offer, the funds would be transferred right to my Courtyard wallet. Also, if I list this for sale in the marketplace and it sells, the funds also instantly transferred right to my Courtyard wallet. And again, on the desktop app, there's going to be additional options where I could transfer this item to a different user, or I can go through the redemption process and have these collectibles shipped to me so I can own them in person. And there you have it, a quick overview of how to use the Courtyard platform. I hope you guys enjoyed this, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.